Today we are making a very colorful, flavorful, one-pot Lebanese dish called Hashweh, which is made with mince and rice. This takes 30 minutes to make and serves 6 people. So let's get started. The spices required for this dish are 1 teaspoon allspice powder, a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon rough salt, 2 black cardamom pods and 2 whole cloves. Wash and drain 1 cup of basmati rice. To this you will add 2 teaspoons of beef stock powder and 2 cups of boiling water. Stir this and leave to soak for about 10 minutes. Now let's start with the ingredients for the pot. Peel and dice 1 onion. Add this to the pot with 2 tablespoons of butter ghee and braise this until it is lightly browned. This dish is so simple, but the flavors that come out of it are just so delicious. This recipe serves as a base for many other variations. You can add in a whole lot of nuts, raisins, and other dried fruit as well, depending on your taste. Allspice, which is the main ingredient for this dish, is highly recommended. It is a blend of a whole lot of different types of peppers put together. This classic Levantine dish is made in many Middle Eastern homes, and the first time I tasted this was at a Lebanese restaurant in Doha, Qatar, during my September 2019 visit. I've tried many recipes since my return, but this one tops it all. Do let me know in the comments section if you've tried this recipe before. Once the onions are lightly browned, add in 500 grams of beef or lamb mince. To this, add in the spices that we put in a plate earlier. Make sure that the spices are properly incorporated into the mince. So if you don't have allspice at home, you can substitute this with 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I have to admit, allspice is a bit difficult to find in South Africa, but most of the Indian grocery stores do store them. Now you will add in the rice, the beef stock, and the boiling water. In case you haven't noticed, all your ingredients are now in one pot. Close the pot and check again after 15 minutes. Basmati rice cooks faster than any other type of rice, and this is the reason I used it in this recipe. After 20 minutes, this is what your dish will look like. The rice is almost ready. Add in 2 cups of frozen peas. It is important to add this straight from the freezer. Don't wait to thaw this. The water from the frozen peas adds to the flavor and softens the rice even more. The dish is now ready to be served. Sprinkle some pomegranate seeds and flaked almonds and you're ready to eat. Beautiful, isn't it? There's an Arabic saying, Bilhana wa bishifa, to pleasure and good health. Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.